Welcome back to this Chapter 2 of Macro and VBA tutorial series. In this chapter, we will learn how to enable the Developer tab in Excel. Developer tab is required to use the Macro and VBA feature. Here in this Excel, Developer tab is not enabled. The same thing happens in your Excel if you have never used this tab before. To enable it, click on the File tab, More, then Options. In the side menu list, click on Customize ribbon. Here in the Main tab list, locate the Developer and mark it. Then click on OK. Now, Developer tab is visible. If you click on this, you will have access to Macro and VBA tools. In the next chapter, we will learn how to record and reuse the macro and how to save an Excel workbook that contains macro codes. Thank you so much for watching this. See you soon in next chapter.